Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into the world of exercise, a key component to a healthy lifestyle. Now we all know that regular exercise offers a multitude of benefits. It boosts your mood, sharpens your focus, and yes, helps you maintain a healthy weight. But did you know that not all exercises are created equal? There are actually 4 main types, each with its own unique benefits. First off, we have cardio exercises, the heart-pumping activities that get your blood circulating and your sweat dripping. Next are strength training exercises which focus on building muscle and increasing your power. Then, there's flexibility, often overlooked but crucial for preventing injury and enhancing your range of motion. Lastly, we have balance exercises, designed to improve your stability and coordination. Each of these components plays a crucial role in overall fitness and health. So buckle up as we delve into our first segment, cardio exercises. Cardio, or cardiovascular exercise, is crucial for a healthy heart and lungs. These exercises are all about improving your body's ability to take in and use oxygen, which in turn helps you become more fit and healthier overall. But what exactly is cardio, and why is it so important? Let's dive right in. Cardio exercises, often referred to as aerobic exercises, involve large muscle groups and are performed for extended periods. They are the cornerstone of any fitness routine because they help to increase heart health, burn calories, and boost your mood. The benefits of cardio are far-reaching. It strengthens your heart and lungs, improving their efficiency. It also increases your stamina, keeping you energized throughout the day. And let's not forget, it's a great way to manage your weight as it burns calories and fat. But there's more. Regular cardio can help reduce stress, improve sleep, and even enhance memory and cognitive function. Now, you might be wondering, what counts as cardio? Well, there are numerous options to choose from. Running is a classic choice, whether it's on a treadmill or outdoors. It's accessible, straightforward, and an excellent way to get your heart racing. Biking, on the other hand, offers a lower impact alternative that's gentle on your joints while still providing a great workout. Swimming is another fantastic option, working out your entire body while keeping your heart rate up. But remember, anything that gets your heart rate up and keeps it there can count as cardio. So don't be afraid to think outside the box and find an activity you genuinely enjoy. Incorporating cardio into your weekly routine doesn't need to be complicated or time-consuming. The American Heart Association recommends at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous aerobic activity per week. You can break this down however you like. That could be 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week, or even 3 10-minute bursts of activity throughout the day. The key is to make it consistent and enjoyable, so you're more likely to stick with it. It's also essential to listen to your body and pace yourself. If you're new to cardio, start slowly and gradually increase your intensity and duration. And remember, it's okay to take breaks. What matters is that you're moving more and sitting less. Cardio is a journey, not a race. It's about finding what works for you and making it a part of your lifestyle. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, cardio can help you reach your health and fitness goals. Remember, the goal of cardio is to get your heart rate up, so find an activity you enjoy and get moving. But don't stop there. Stay tuned as we dive into strength training, flexibility, and balance exercises in the next segments. Now let's shift gears and talk about strength training, an essential part of any fitness regimen. Strength training, often referred to as resistance training, is a method of improving muscular strength by gradually increasing the ability of the muscles to resist force through the use of free weights, machines, or the body's own weight. It's about far more than just bulking up. Strength training is a vital part of maintaining overall health and well-being. At its core, strength training is about building muscle and bone strength. You see, as we age, we naturally lose muscle mass and bone density. This can lead to a host of health problems, including frailty, osteoporosis, and even an increased risk of falls and injuries. But here's the good news. Strength training can help to slow, stop, or even reverse these age-related changes. When you engage in strength training, you're essentially causing minor damage to your muscles. But don't worry, this isn't a bad thing. In fact, it's exactly what you want. When your body repairs this damage, it builds the muscles back stronger and larger than before. Similarly, putting weight on your bones can help to increase their strength and density. There are many ways to incorporate strength training into your routine. Weightlifting is probably the first thing that comes to mind for most people, and it's certainly a great option. But it's far from the only one. Resistance bands, for example, can provide a fantastic workout. They're portable, versatile, and can be used to work out virtually every muscle in your body. Bodyweight exercises are another excellent choice, particularly for those who may not have access to weights or other equipment. Push-ups, squats, and lunges can all provide a great strength training workout with nothing more than your body's own weight. Of course, it's important to approach strength training safely. Always start with weights you can comfortably handle and gradually increase the load as your strength improves. Avoid jerky, rapid movements, which can lead to injury. Instead, focus on slow, controlled movements, and perhaps most importantly, don't forget to rest. Your muscles need time to recover and grow stronger in between workouts. It's also worth noting that strength training can provide a host of additional benefits. It can help to improve your posture, increase your metabolic rate, and even boost your mood. And of course, stronger muscles can make everyday tasks like carrying groceries or climbing stairs much easier. So, whether you're lifting weights at the gym, using resistance bands at home, or simply doing push-ups in your living room, strength training should be a key part of your fitness routine. And remember, it's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. Strength training is about more than just lifting heavy weights, it's about improving your overall health and well-being. Moving on to flexibility, an often overlooked but critical component of fitness. Flexibility is the range of motion in a joint or series of joints and length in muscles that cross the joints. It's all about the ease and freedom with which you move, whether you're running a marathon or simply reaching for a mug in a top cupboard. It's crucial for maintaining our bodies in top shape and preventing injuries. You see, our muscles are like rubber bands. They need to be stretched and worked through their full range of motion regularly. Otherwise, they become short and tight, leading to a higher risk of strains and pulls. Now, you might be wondering, how can I improve my flexibility? Well, there are plenty of exercises designed just for that. Yoga, for instance, is a fantastic way to enhance your flexibility. It combines deep breathing, relaxation, and a series of poses that stretch and strengthen various muscle groups. But yoga isn't the only path to flexibility. Simple, targeted stretches can also be very effective. A gentle hamstring stretch after a run, for example, or a shoulder roll while you're stuck at your desk. It's all about making flexibility a part of your daily routine. And here's a tip: don't rush your stretches. Take your time, breathe deeply, and allow your body to relax into the stretch. You'll get more out of it, and enjoy it more that way. Don't forget to stretch both before and after workouts to maximize your flexibility. Last but not least, let's talk about balance exercises. Often overlooked, balance exercises play a crucial role in our daily lives, from preventing falls to improving stability. They are the unsung heroes of our fitness regimen. Balance exercises, such as Tai Chi or simply standing on one leg, work by challenging your body's equilibrium. They engage your core muscles and challenge your body in unique ways that other exercises simply can't. When you're standing on one leg, for instance, your body has to constantly adjust to maintain its balance. This not only strengthens your muscles but also sharpens your mind-body connection. Now, how do you incorporate these exercises into your workout routine? Well, the beauty of balance exercises is their simplicity. They don't require any special equipment or even a gym membership. You can practice them anywhere, anytime. Start by standing on one leg while brushing your teeth, or try a few Tai Chi moves during your lunch break. Remember to start slow and gradually increase the challenge as your balance improves. And here's a pro tip: always ensure your safety. It's easy to lose your balance and fall, especially when you're just starting out. So consider doing these exercises near a wall or a sturdy piece of furniture that you can hold on to if needed. Balance exercises might seem simple, but they're a powerful tool for improving your overall fitness. And there you have it, a brief overview of the 4 main types of exercises. We've journeyed through the pulsating world of cardio, where we ramp up our heart rates and boost our overall health. We've powered through strength training, building muscle, and improving our physical prowess. Then we dove into the relaxing realm of flexibility, stretching our bodies and our minds. And finally, we balanced it all out, literally, with exercises that help us stay steady and centered. Each of these exercise types plays a crucial role in maintaining a well-rounded fitness routine. They each offer unique benefits, yet they all work together in harmony to keep our bodies strong, flexible, and balanced. By incorporating all 4 types of exercises into your routine, you're setting yourself up for a lifetime of fitness success. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to exercise, so find a routine you enjoy and stick with it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more fitness insights.